Welcome to our kitchen again in Osborne Park, here in Perth. And today I want to show you a one-pot pasta dish. Very simple and healthy because I won't be using any ready-made sauce for our pasta, but very basic recipe. So the first thing we need to do is to prepare the ingredients. So first thing, you have to cut your capsicum into 4 and then wash it. Remove the middle part, just like this. You want to remove the pesticides of the cherry tomatoes. So we soak it with water with a bit of bicarb soda for about 12 to 15 minutes. I need half of onion, 125 grams of diced bacon, about a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and this is optional, about half a tablespoon of vegetable stock, 3 cloves of garlic, basil leaves, 250 grams of pasta. Of course, we're going to use our Saladmaster machine to prepare some of the ingredients. So let's start with capsicum. Saladmaster machine has 5 cones. The number 4 cone is for slicing. So this will give the slice cut. If you don't have it yet, just host a party and you can get it absolutely free. So this is how you do it. Oh, as long as your hand is like that, you'll be safe. This 1.5 capsicum, which I cut into 4. I will use the same cut, cone number 4, to slice our onion, half onion only. After 12 to 15 minutes of soaking in water and bicarb soda, just remove the water and wash it again, and we cut it in half. Time to cut it in half, of course, using our Saladmaster knife. Now time to grate our Parmesan cheese. I don't want to buy the grated one. I want to cut it myself. I'll use cone number 1, the shredded. About 100 grams, depending on your liking. Okay, for our 3 cloves of garlic, let's use cone number 4 again, our slicer. To slice our garlic. So what you need to do, just hold it like this. And you can easily make a slice garlic. Okay, now the ingredients are ready. Time to cook our one-pot pasta. Basically, just throw all in. So let's put the bacon first. It's a cold cookware. You can use any cookware, but I'm using the electric skillet today because I can set the time and temperature and I can leave it. So it's the convenience that I'm after. And then, of course, let's put the 250 grams of spaghetti noodles. And then I am just going to basically put everything in here. So I got 250 grams of cherry tomato. I'll put onion on the other side. I'll put the capsicum on the other side. So all this flavor of the vegetable will be infused in there. Okay, now time to put garlic, our basil leaves on the other side. So basically what I did is I just put all in. The only thing I will not put is the Parmesan cheese. I'll put it later after it's cooked. Okay, now time to add half a teaspoon of salt, about half a tablespoon of vegetable stock. Totally up to you if you want to put it. And of course, 2 cups of water using our Saladmaster measuring cup. Simple, quick, and easy. Clean the sides with all the food bits so it will create the perfect seal. This is very important because our cookware, one of the benefits of cooking in Saladmaster is in a sealed container. Meaning all the goodness, all the moisture of your food stays inside. Fully cover. Put the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius using our digital probe. In about 5 to 10 minutes, you will hear a click. This is a temperature control to protect the vegetable from overcooking, to keep the nutrition. Okay, once you hear the clicking, we'll turn it down to 85 degrees Celsius and we'll set the time for 15 minutes. Basically, if you're cooking it on a stovetop, medium heat, you hear the clicking, you turn it down to low. It's the same process. The only difference here is digital. You have the convenience of leaving it and it will stop on its own. And look at that. So this is the time. I will mix it just one time. Imagine if you can save 1 hour a week of your time cooking in Saladmaster, how much will it be worth to you and your family? After 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. the color. Very bright still. For 20 to 25 minutes, the capsicum is still very red. That's very, very important. Okay. Now it's the time to put some Parmesan cheese and black pepper. I'm going to mix it. So you have basil leaves, you put it on the top. Looks nicer. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. This is Sharon once again from Saladmaster here in Perth.